Autism is basically a pervasive developmental disorder, which is a broad umbrella. And with that, other disorders also come, like Asperger's, Rett syndrome, and childhood disaggregated disorder. But autism is increasing at a very rapid rate in India as well as across the world. And we at Dr. Joshi Center for Autism are promoting an integrated approach in dealing with autism. We provide homeopathic intervention, therapies, and nutritional intervention. And we have seen that with this integrated approach, we have been able to bring a lot of change in children who are on the spectrum. And these kids respond very well under the age of 5, as the diagnosis is made between the age of 1.5 years to 2 years, when the child starts showing symptoms of autism. The symptoms are like the child is lost in his own world and there is no eye contact. There are a lot of sensory issues also, like the child will not allow to cut his hair, brush his tooth, wear specific clothes, eat food of certain texture only. So these are major issues which the parents have to handle. And we have seen when we give them homeopathy therapies and nutritional intervention, these kids respond very well. We have also seen that teenagers who come to us with behavioral disorders, some of them are really violent. And the violence is so much that they have to be tied in their home so that they don't hit somebody or do self-injury to them. So in these cases also we have seen that homeopathy has played a major role and to prevent and reverse this thing. And the child is again going through his normal routine, goes to therapies and takes an independent life. We see this awareness campaign which we are doing pan-India is to bring to notice to people that autism can be handled successfully. It is not like nothing can be done for these kids, but we can really do a lot of things and bring them into mainstream so that they can also live an independent life. And their parents also can have hope that their child is going to be independent in the future and he can lead a life. Now a lot of questions are asked, like if the child is an adult, can he get married and all? But that again is a very big question to answer. It is like if the child is in the mild range of autism and if the other person is ready to get married, then yes, because the child is physically normal. So the marriage has nothing to do with it. But the other party, like the girl or the boy who is going to get married to the autistic individual, should understand what exactly is the disorder and what is needed. So in those cases, marriage is possible. Also regarding certain companies, they allow these kids to work in their country. Like IBM, I know they provide job opportunities for kids who are on the spectrum. Likewise, in India also, we think one day we can be in a position to give employment to these children and make them independent. In US, when we talk to our clients in US, there are a lot of programs like the child is made aware of how to handle the money part. Like they tell them to collect their own money and spend it in a mall or in a restaurant under guidance. So these things help the child to come into the mainstream. So, and also we want to sensitize the society towards what is autism and how we can help the children. So this is what we are doing at our center. And we also give online treatment. So currently across 80 locations globally we provide our services through online treatment protocols. And we are also doing online therapies to children who are in the rural side of India where they cannot come to us directly. Also because of the financial issues that these people have. And when they are not affordable to pay our fees, we provide the services absolutely free to them. We do not charge a single paisa even for medicines or for the medicines we can send them to their place and the consultations and all. That we do from our side as we feel that if we are in a position to do something, we should do it. That's what we are doing currently.